we need to clean first the flywheel, and then I install the clutch lining and clutch cover. Now it's ready now because all board is I torque 300 plus 90 degrees. So now we are going to fix the lining. See guys, this is the lining. This is in flywheel side. This one is flywheel side. This one is gearbox side. See, there's a gearbox side. See, there is a mark here, gearbox side. So this is the input shaft, and then we put here this for the guide here, and then put like this. This one, this is the guide, input shaft, and then this is the clutch lining. The clutch cover here downside. I will fix the clutch cover, and I will remove this the clutch cover, but I need the guide. Now guys, I need to put the guide for the install for the clutch cover, because if you don't have like this, it's very difficult to align the bolts. Here, this is the bolt. This is the bolt for the clutch cover. So I will put here, okay, here. This is only for the guide. This is the guide. And one here is downside. See guys, one here, downside. See here. This is the guide only. And then we put the clutch cover. Clutch cover also is very heavy. It's heavy also, guys. See guys, it's heavy to fix. See. So here, this one is we fix here. Okay, now it's okay now. See guys, it's very easy to fix because there is a guide. If you don't have guide, guys, very difficult to align the hole and the bolts. This is the bolts. See, this is the bolts, guys. Here, the bolts is here. Where's the box here? Okay. See guys, it's easy to then downside. We will put the bolt also here. Yeah. Now it's easy now.